Safe durable Pizzelle waffle cone roller. Made of 100% food-safe natural beechwood, this durable baking tool is the perfect Pizzelle roller, Norwegian krumkake roller, or waffle cone maker tool. Ergonomic design. Contoured handle fits comfortably in your hand, measuring 4 inches long, with cone length of 4.25 inches, attractive natural wood with smooth finish is light yet sturdy. Easy to use. From Pizzelle press or waffle iron, roll warm pastry around mold and let pastry cool, then fill with dessert creams, ice cream, jams, jellies and more. Natural wood pastry tool. Use for making waffle cones and wafers, sweet Norwegian krumkakes, cream horn cookies, and crisp or chewy Italian pizzelles. Do not use cone roller in the oven. Care measurements. Hand wash in warm, soapy water, towel dry only. Bake fun, mouth-watering desserts. Use this wooden cone to shape warm pizzelles or form cones with other pastries like Norwegian krumkakes. Bake the pizzelles or pastries before putting on the cone mold. Make sure they are cooked but still flexible. Place pliable pastry around cone, let cool and dry, remove and fill with delicious creams, icings, jams, jellies and more. Made of 100% natural beechwood, this 8-inch roller features a cone shape with pointed tip and easy-to-hold handle with ergonomic design. Hand wash and dry completely. Great for pizzelles, specialty cookies, krumkake, cones and more. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect size for mini cones. Very nice cone-shaped press. Used Martha Stewart's vanilla cone waffle recipe. Very good. I have a 5 pizzelle maker and this press works perfectly with it. I would recommend using a paper towel as they come off the press super hot.